Welcome. We're on our way to Fishomania this morning. We've just joined the A15. We've got about an hour's drive to get down to Westwood Lakes near Boston. I've been looking forward to this for absolutely ages.
On arrival, we had a walk around the trade stands. James picked up these two fish pillows, the tench for himself and the cart for his brother. We even bumped into the Winning Ways guys, and we first met Andy May, and then set up behind Jamie Hughes, who was going to be fishing from peg number 5.
The very best of luck. It's all in.
Go on, Jamie.
Jamie's early start saw him fishing down the margins, and we sat for a good half an hour watching him catch. Didn't take him long to get into the action, and though he bumped off his first fish, he soon hooked another. I've never seen Jamie fish in person before, and it was an experience to watch him, and the speed at which he net the fish was impressive. Although Jamie had some early success, it wasn't to be for him, so he walked up and sat behind Andy Bennett on peg 16. He was the bookie's favourite, and although this was the case, it was a shame to see him not fishing well. Ultimately, it was Christian Jones who took home the prize money of £50,000 with a winning weight of 56.75 kilos from peg 10. Christian was a deserving winner, and we very much enjoyed our first experience of attending a Fishomania Final. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.